Class 2 English, Chapter 11 Love for Parents. Look at the picture and imagine that you are having your father's birthday party in the coming week. Who do you want to invite? आप किसको दावत देना चाहते हैं? I want to invite my cousins. मैं अपने cousins को दावत देना चाहता हूँ. Which arrangements do you want to do for your father's birthday? आप अपने वालिद की सालगिरह के लिए क्या इंतजामात करना चाहते हैं? I want to decorate the house with colorful balloons and buntings. Would you like to surprise your father? If yes, how? आप अपने वालिद को हैरान करना चाहेंगे? अगर हाँ तो कैसे? I want to surprise my father by giving him a big birthday gift. मैं अपने वालिद को सालगिरह का एक बड़ा तोहफा देकर हैरान करना चाहूँगा. Look at the given pictures and tell what the pictures are about. ये तस्वीरें किस चीज़ के बारे में हैं? These pictures are about a family celebrating a birthday. ये तस्वीर एक कुंबे के बारे में है जो सालगिरह मना रहा है. What will happen next? आगे क्या होगा? Their mother will be very happy to get the birthday card. What can you do to make your mother happy? आप अपनी वालदा को खुश करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? I can make my mother happy by expressing my love for her. मैं अपनी वालदा से मोहब्बत का इजहार करके उन्हें खुश कर सकता हूँ. Have you ever made a card? Share your experience. क्या आपने कभी कार्ड बनाया है? अपना तजर्बा बयान करें. Once I made a card for my sister's birthday. I drew flowers and balloons on it. My sister liked it very much. अब एक्सरसाइज देखते हैं. Read aloud the given sentences orally and say a and the in each sentence as their weak forms. Sajid is a hard-working man. I need a knife to cut this watermelon. There is no fruit in the basket. Where is the new car? Pronounce the weak form of be in contractions. I am making a card. You are looking pretty. He is walking alone. They are waiting. It is a beautiful card. She is a teacher. The short form of two words is called a contraction. We omit letters to make the short form of word. दो अल्फाज को मुख्तसर करने की हालत को कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कहते हैं. इसमें से हम कुछ अल्फाज को निकाल देते हैं. Read and practice the given dialogue. हारिस, अनम, which is your favorite fruit? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा फल कौन सा है? अनम, I like mangoes. मुझे आम पसंद हैं. हारिस, why do you like it? तुम इसे पसंद क्यों करती हो? Because they are sweet. क्योंकि वो मीठे हैं. हारिस, of course. अल्लाह सुब्हाना ताला has blessed us with variety of delicious fruits. अल्लाह ताला ने हमें मुख्तलिफ किस्म के लजीज फल अता किए हैं. अनम, you are right हारिस. तुम दुरुस्त कह रहे हो हारिस. Answer these questions. What thing do Maha and Asad make the card with? Answer है they make the card with following things: paper, scissors and markers. What does Maha draw on the card? Answer है Maha draws some beautiful flowers and a cake on the card. What does Asad write on the card? He writes happy birthday mother on the card. Read the given text and answer the questions. Write the names of the characters mentioned in the passage. Zara and Neha. Which is your favorite character and why? Neha is my favorite character. It is because she is very helpful. Next question is read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct options. Asad and Neha are making a card to give it to their dash? Answer is mother. Maha draws some beautiful dash and cake on the card. Flowers. Dash writes birthday wishes inside the card. Asad. Read the given words with their meanings. Fold, तह करना. Bend over. Half, nisf, आधा. Either of the two equal parts. Excited. खुश, showing happiness. Follow the given directions and make a collage. Direction of the collage activity. Take a red, green, blue, pink, yellow paper. Tear all these papers into small pieces. Paste each according to the given colors in the balloons. ठीक है, जहाँ पर रेड लिखा है वहाँ पे आपने रेड कलर का कागज चिपकाना है, ग्रीन पर ग्रीन, ब्लू, पिंक एंड येलो. रीड द गिवन साइट वर्ड्स. 4, ग्रीन, जंप, every, where, take, pretty, got. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. EXCITED, excited. EFFORT, effort. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. BIRTHDAY, birthday. HAPPY, happy. When we ask somebody to do something, it is called a command. Usually it starts with a verb and ends with a full stop. जब हम किसी को कोई काम करने के लिए कहते हैं तो ये हुक्म कहलाता है. ये अमूमन एक फेल से शुरू होता है और फुल स्टॉप पर ख़त्म होता है. रीड दीज सेंटेंसेस. डू योर होमवर्क, अपना काम करो. शट द डोर, दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो. स्टैंड अप, खड़े हो जाओ. राइट 3 कमांड्स इन योर नोटबुक. ओपन योर बुक्स, अपनी किताबें खोलो. ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, मेरे लिए एक पानी का गिलास लाओ. पॉलिश माई शूज़, मेरे जूते पॉलिश कर दो. A request is an act of asking someone politely for something. ठीक है, अब इसके read the following sentences. Could I have my book please? बराए मेहरबानी क्या मैं अपनी किताब ले सकता हूँ? May I use your crayons please? क्या मैं आपकी पेंसिलें इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ बराए मेहरबानी? Can you help me finding my scarf? क्या आप मेरा रुमाल ढूंढने में मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Write 3 requests in your notebook. Please help me find my keys. Could you lend me your book? May I use your pen please? Look and read the given greeting card. Dear father, we love you a lot. May you have a long and happy life. With best wishes, Maha and Asad. Now make your own greeting card for your mother. Draw a picture and write some good words. आप कार्ड्स बनाएं और उस पर कुछ ना कुछ आपने लिखना है. Dear mother, to me your love is the most precious thing in this world. I love you a lot. Write the following information on the back of your card. ये information आपने कार्ड के पीछे लिखनी है. Write a few sentences about your mother in your notebook. ठीक है, my mother is a very kind and caring lady. Her name is Amara. She is very kind to me. She takes great care of my health. She never scolds me. I love my mother very much. तो ये था आज का सबक. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर दें और इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोज़ को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें. अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.